dear students. In the previous videos I uploaded inverse trigonometric functions 1 plus 2, matrices 1 plus 3 plus 5 and determinants I uploaded 1 mark, 2 mark and 5 marks. Now I am doing for 4 marks. The possible questions around 4 to 5 questions are there. Definitely one question they will ask for 4 marks. So the given matrix A satisfying the equation this where I is equal to 1 0 0 1 2 by 2 matrix and this is a 0 matrix 0 0 0 2 by 2. Find A inverse using this equation. For 4 marks they will ask. Here you can see when I have taken this is the equation, right? From this equation, when they are talking inverse, remember if AB is equal to Y, if AB is equal to A, one is inverse of the other, right? Whenever AB is equal to identity matrix, one is inverse of the other. From here I can write A inverse is equal to B. Just remember this definition. Then I can use this. From this equation, can I write to take this equation? I can write A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0 matrix. What can I do here? I can take it A common, right? If I take A common, I will write A minus, you see I can write A minus 4I I can write. We multiply, if I take in common here, A minus 4I is equal to minus I. Correct? So this is a definition. I have written like this. I have taken common A into A square. A into 4I, you will get 4A. I have transferred that side. Now here you can see what I will do now. This minus 1 I can convert this side. I can write A by multiply with negative. This will become 4I minus A, which is equal to Y, right? Because I want like AB is equal to A, then B is the inverse of A. So then when AB is equal to Y, here I can conclude here. From this I can conclude, I can write A inverse is equal to 4I minus A. That will be your A inverse. 4I minus A. Then 4 into I means 1 0 0 1. A means 2 3 1 2. Right. This will become 4 0 0 4 2 3 1 2, right? Then corresponding elements subtract this 2 minus 3 you get minus 1 to 4 minus 2. So this is your required answer, right? That will be required answer. I will explain again. What I have taken, take the given equation, take A common. When you are taking A common, be careful. Here only one matrix is there. Let it think about A into I. Right? 4AI, 4A only. Then AB is equal to minus I, but I want I that side. You can compare with this. So multiply the negative on both sides. This will become 4I minus A equal to Y. Then this is AB is equal to Y. So A inverse is equal to 4I minus A. Then you substitute the values, it gives A inverse. Now, after looking at this problem, same concept use this also, try to solve this problem. Here they mention I is 2 by 2 identity matrix. And this one 0 means here this is the symbol for 0 matrix is 2 by 2 0 matrix, right? To find A inverse. They are asking again find A inverse. You can solve this problem, right? Just you can solve using this, you can solve this problem. They are asking find A inverse. So you can use this find A inverse using this. Right? I hope you understood this. Immediately solve this problem. I will explain the next problem. Now I'm going to explain one more problem. This model is important. The given matrix A equal to 3 1 minus 1 to satisfy the equation A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0 matrix. When I is 2 by 2 identity matrix, 0 matrix 2 by 2 0 matrix. Using the given equation, find A inverse. Now you can take the given equation A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Same concept. When I am saying here, when AB is equal to Y, then I can write A inverse is equal to B. Just you think about this. Now here, or I can write B inverse is equal to A also. You can see when I give it like this, from this I can write. I can write this one. Here I can take it common. You will get A minus 5I is equal to minus 7I, right? Transfer that side minus 7I. Now you can think about this one. If I take it this one only, I want I. Divide with minus 7. then it will become here. I can write this one a into, I can write a minus 5y by minus 7, which is equal to y. Now we got a b is equal to y. This is b. What is b here? A inverse. From this I can write, this implies I can write a inverse is equal to minus 1 by 7 a minus 5y. Correct. Now I can write here. I can split minus 1 by 7 a minus 5y. So I can take the matrix here. I got it here. I can do this one. A minus 5y. A means we know 3 1 minus 1 2. 3 1 minus 1 2. The matrix minus 5y. So 5 0 0 5, right? I will take this y plus 5 into y. 5 0 0 5. Now I can simplify, right? I can write minus 1 by 7, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 1 minus 0, 1, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1, 2 minus 5, minus 3, right? So this will be, I can multiply with 1 minus 1 by 7 each element if you want. I can multiply, this will become 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7, this is 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. So that will be our answer, right? This is A inverse. That's the required answer, A inverse 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 3 by 7. That will be the required answer. So you can see if A equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, satisfying the equation A square minus A plus 2A equal to 0. After doing this, immediately solve this problem. You will be thorough with this topic. I will explain one more problem. With this enough. Total around 6 problems you can practice. So mainly what I am explaining most important. To practice I am giving another question. Try to solve those questions also. For practice I am solving one more problem. See, these are the important problems for 4 marks. The weightage is 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4. 4 marks they will ask in part D. Look into this problem. A equal 1, 2, 3, 4. Satisfying this equation. Find A inverse. Take the equation. A square minus 5A minus 2A equal to 0 matrix. So I can write this. You can take it A common. So minus 5y I can write. Correct. When you are taking A common, minus 5y you can write equal to 2y. I told the concept the previous also. Whenever AB is equal to y, I can write A inverse is equal to B. Prove this concept here, right? Then I got this one, but I want I only here. So what I will do, I can divide this. A minus 5y by 2 equal to y. 1 by 2 into, this is like, this is A, this is B. From this I can conclude now. A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 into A minus 5y. A minus 5y. A inverse equal to half into A minus 5y. A minus 5y. Then I can write A inverse is equal to 1 by 2. A minus, correct. I mentioned here A minus 5y. So what is A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 5. I means this is I. 5y means I can write directly 5 0 0 5. Correct. Now you can see here 1 by 2. I can write 1 minus 5 minus 4. 2 minus 0. 3 minus 0 3. And 4 minus 5 will get minus 1. I can stop here. Still if you want to take multiply the 1 by 2, this will become here minus 2 1, and this will be 3 by 2, and this will be minus 1 by 2. So this is your required answer, right? That will be required answer. Correct? So that will be the required answer. Minus 2 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is the required answer. Correct. Just I have taken A common. I have taken A common 5. We should not only 5 number we can't write. So 5i, 2i. Simplify this. Half into. You can simplify minus 4 by 2 minus 2. 2 by 2 1. It will be 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Correct. You are dividing this right. Now, after this, you for your practice, you consider this problem, you solve it. Almost I completed all the problems. I will tell you how to verify your answer is correct or not. We can verify. That I will tell you. Even after finding inverse, you multiply A into A inverse, you should get identity. That is simple verification, right? You multiply A into A inverse, you will get identity matrix, then you can verify that. I'm talking about verification. Whether you have got it perfectly answer or not. You multiply A into A inverse, you should get identity, then you can say exactly, well, if you got identity, your answer is perfectly right. You can verify that way. Another way also I can tell you the verification now. You can say after finding the answer, how to verify the answer, whether you got it perfectly the correct answer or not. What can you do here? The one thing you can multiply A into A inverse. If it gives I, yes, your answer is perfectly right. You can decide you got perfect answer. This is one method. Another method you can check that. Suppose A is equal to A, B, C, D. And A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC. Interchange these two. Change the sign of this adjoint. But when they are asking using that equation, don't use this method. Most important. This method is not allowed when they are asking using that equation. So to verify your answer in the rough work, you can do this. And the rough work, you can do this to verify A inverse. But when they are asking in this 4 marks question, don't use this method. This method is not available. Don't use this method. I am talking about this one. You should not use this method in 4 marks question. To verify, don't use this method. For verification, you can do on the rough sheet, you can do that. Or you can do like this. These are all I am talking about verification. But when they are asking using in given equation means don't use this method. Suppose if they are asking question 1 mark or 2 mark, directly find A. If they give matrix A, find A, but there you can use it. But here you should not use this. Remember that. Don't do that mistake. I hope you will do well. Now you can follow the video complete. This is around 30 to 15 minutes video. Go through this, solve the questions, solve the equations. Definitely, I hope you can do the 4 marks question perfectly. Thank you. See you in the next video for the next topic.